So we're going to be looking at alienation, alteration, and user, looking at what the restrictions actually mean. That's particularly important when it comes to alienation, and to some extent when it comes to alteration as well. We'll be looking at the impact of statute, both the Landlord and Tenant Act 1927 and this one only for alienation, the Landlord and Tenant Act 1988, and whether consent is actually needed is a really useful thing to look at, because if you don't need landlord's consent, you don't get involved in any of these knottier problems. We're going to look at handling the application. So looking at preconditions, are there things you need to do before you can actually make the application? How should you make the application? What kind of form should it take? Is there a form that it should take? How should you serve it? Is there any restriction on that? And to whom and where should you make that application? And then we're going to be looking at reasonableness, both in terms of the landlord's ability to refuse and in terms of the conditions that a landlord might wish to impose and whether the landlord is reasonable in doing so.